Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to play Crossy Road on your PC so you can enjoy the game on a bigger screen. So Crossy Road is originally a mobile game, but you can play it on PC using an Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player. First, download and install your preferred emulator. Go to the Google Chrome or any browser on your PC and search for the BlueStacks PC. Now you can download the BlueStack. Then here you can search for the Crossy Road. As you can see, this is the game, and now to play this, first of all you need to download the BlueStack and you can play it from there. Playing on PC gives you a bigger screen and smoother control, which makes surviving longer and scoring a high score a lot easier. And that's it. Now you can play Crossy Road on your PC just like on your phone. If this helps, hit like, subscribe for more gaming guides and comment below your high score on PC, and I'll see you in the next one.